Hello everybody. Today we will learn about how to plan a visit, the different types of visits and how to file a visit report in the Super Sales app. The first thing we do is sign in using our mobile number and password. After checking in, we see the main homepage or the sales plan page. At the bottom right-hand corner, you see a blue plus sign. After you tap on the plus sign, you see multiple options. Select the first option, that is New Visit. Now, you see 5 types of visits, namely Plan a Visit, Unplanned, Cold Call, Manual, and Beat Plan. Let's learn where and how to use these types of visits. First is Plan a Visit. Using this type, you can plan a visit to a single or multiple customers. For a single customer, you can either type the name of the customer, or you can click on the magnifying glass for a drop-down with the entire list of customers. You can search for the customer from the drop-down menu either by name or mobile number. The address option will be automatically filled. In case of multiple addresses, you can select the particular address. After that, select the contact person from the drop-down and fill in the date, time and description. Finally, tap on the Submit button to finalize the visit. In case the customer details are not listed, you can always add new customers using the Add New Customer button. You will learn more about adding customers in the Onboard a New Customer video. You can also add a new contact in case the person you are planning to meet is not existing in existing contacts. In the case of planning visits to multiple customers, the drop-down becomes slightly different. There are check boxes using which you can select more than one customer for your visits. In case of a large customer base, you can also filter the customers by their city, their PIN code, the segment they belong to, their class, their territory, or by the beat plan. For example, if you select the PIN code, you have to enter the PIN code and you will see all the customers that fall under that PIN code, and from here you can select the customers you want to visit that day. There is also an option of classifying the customers using beat route. Upon selecting this option, all the beat routes will be shown and you can select a particular beat route. All the customers in that beat route will be displayed and you can then select the ones you plan on visiting. After selecting the customers you are visiting, you add the date, time and description. You can plan a visit for today or any day in the future. This acts as a personal planner for you. After submitting the data, all the customers you plan on visiting will be displayed in your daily sales plan. Click on any visit card and the details of that visit are displayed. Next, under the visit types, there is the unplanned visit, which is used at times when you did not plan to meet a customer, but visited them directly without it being in your sales plan. When this happens and you wish to add the particular customer visit into your daily plan, you select the Unplanned Visit option. After selecting the option, you can add the customer by either typing out the name of the customer or clicking on the magnifying glass to get a drop-down which lists all the customers. In the drop-down, you can search for the customer by name or even by their mobile number. There is another option, Customers Near Me, which shows the customers that are within 100 meters radius of your current location, making it easier to find the customer you visited. After that, you tap on Check-in, and it directly creates a visit on the main plan page under today's sales plan. All visits for the day are listed on the home page or plan page of the frontline salespersons. When you tap on the visit created, it opens a visit card with a detailed view of the visit and actions available during the visit. There are options to view visit details and other options like checkout, file reports or place order of the customer. Now, let's file a report and understand more about it. At end of the visit, you should file a report about what happened during the visit, and to do that you tap on the report option in the visit card. First, you choose the person you actually met during the visit. You can also add a new contact if you met a person not existing in customer contacts. tap Next, you can select the appropriate option from the Customer Outcome option. This drop-down menu is customizable and can vary from company to company. You can choose multiple outcomes for one visit. If you have finalized the next appointment with the same customer, you can turn on Next Action in the visit report and select the date of the appointment and nature of appointment, which can be physical visit, telephonic call, email to be sent, or message. This appointment will be added to your sales plan for that date. You also have to add a picture of the customer location or shop during the visit. To finish, add a few lines in description about what happened during the visit and finally submit the visit report. After that, on the home page, within the particular visit card, you can check out after which the visit will not be visible on the main plan page. We have learned all about planning and documenting different kinds of visits and filing a visit report in this video. Thanks for watching.